where life flows. Listen, read, and role-play.
Look at the small fish in the Nile River. They are so colorful.
Yes. Do you know that small fish eat plants in the water? These are called water weeds.
That's interesting. What about birds? What do they eat?
Birds eat small fish, insects, and even plants near the river.
Wow. What about big fish?
They eat smaller fish, insects, and tiny creatures in the water.
And crocodiles, what do they eat?
They eat fish, birds, and sometimes larger animals that come near the water.
Huge crocodiles are scary. Do any animals hunt them?
Not really. They are the kings of the Nile.
It's amazing how all animals in the river find food to survive.
Each animal plays an important role. That's why we must protect the river.